This is what it feels like to be a YouTuber. So guys, we're here.
Hey guys.
International, wait, not international airport actually. This is domestic T2 airport. We're here with Yusuf.
We had to make a layover.
Bro, it was so sad leaving my mom.
Bro, I swear to God, I was so emotional.
Hey,
Kill it.
I can't come to Japan.
Kill it. Dude, all of them. We came a bit late.
Can you see it on the back?
It's not bad. Gotta make a nice
Just wanna go in now?
documentary.
Alright.
It's time to go.
Good boy number 1, bad boy number 2. What are you looking at?
We made it. Alhamdulillah.
What?
We made it.
Oh no, crazy.
What are you doing behind me, huh? What are you doing behind me? He thinks he's slick, bro. Like, I don't know.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing, you got kissing me, I'm nothing. I'm gonna head to our hotels. Maybe grab a food, this, that. Let's see how the airport looks. High expectations. What's your expectations? Do you reckon it'll crack up? Better than Sydney?
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be like Mario everywhere.
Yeah.
Better airport.
Imagine if you find Pikachu straight away. How underwhelming would it be if you just find that goal straight away?
Oh, the moment I find that, I'm looking to give up.
Hey, robot. Allah, how crazy. Like, we're not clocking it. We're literally in a different country right now. Without parental supervision. Like, that's crazy, mate. Everyone's like 5'2" here. I feel like a giant. Look how massive this airport is.
It's a nice airport, isn't it?
So beautiful.
Sorry.
I think it's all sorry. What is your opinion of the Great British Revolt under Winston Churchill?
Never existed, never heard of it. Fake stats, fake news.
It's not fake news. He just doesn't know his modern history. Almost there. Ah, it's a bit of a hike though. Level 1, yeah? Look at this artwork, mashallah.
You ready, mate?
Yeah, I'm ready. That is not too bad.
Well, that is one shot.
Not gonna lie though, for 5 stars is like, you know. Lola, does it need an ice cream? Tell me it doesn't look appealing?
Needs like food.
Yeah, it needs food, eh? Let's hope this one's better.
This hopes.
Expectations, out of 10.
It looks like a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
I think a 6. I think a solid 6.
Alright.
What do you reckon?
I mean, it looks definitely more modern. I would like to say that.
Bro, it's so quiet.
Well,
At 12 in the afternoon, like that's so beautiful.
but think about it. Stop swinging for a sec. Do you hit anyone else?
He's a good guy. Bro, we rebooked the hotel.
Why?
It was so bad.
Yeah? I told you to get this one.
Yeah, this one's solid. This one's like alright.
Told you.
My fellow guy Jim, bro. How are you?
My guy Jim,
Yeah,
brother. Yo. Wait, we can meet up here from now.
Yeah.
How far was your walk from here?
Like 5 minutes? not
Literally
even?
from here to our hotel.
Bro, I'm
5
not
minutes.
joking, it's like
Yeah.
5 minutes.
It's a solid jacket, mate.
Wallah.
Wallah.
Karaoke, casino.
Oh yeah, we found karaoke.
Steakhouses,
Yeah.
everything, bro.
No, we found like a brothel or two. Big boy, pick up the phone.
We're straight out, don't overdo every stuff that we do.
What do you mean?
With the camera. The Aussie Wagyu Steakhouse.
Aussie Wagyu steak.
Sawallah.
Yeah.
It says Aussie Wagyu.
Yeah.
There's karaoke bar right next door. Let's go there after.
We'll go tonight.
All of it.
Let's go.
Ah, here's the thing.
This is honestly the most beautiful.
I think this is a dog shrine. I'm not even joking. Just like Ghost of Tsushima. See, they got some alcohol here for him. Fairs.
God, get out of my photo.
I'm sorry.
Japan's the best country in the world to be H.
Oh, it smells so good.
Smell it?
It's very nice. Bro, it smells like that thingy, the Arabic thing.
Tokyo Mosque.
Old.
Crazy this is.
So quiet.
到着いたします。とご列車にご参加のお客様に手側と提携してます。
ありがとう。End of pitch, yeah. Little tractor over there as well. Oh, there's another pitch down there. Go down there. We'll tell them you guys versus us boys. When it stays on.
And we'll put 100,000 yen on it.
New York.
Do they just white light?
Ocha. Ocha. There's no sugar. Green tea. Ocha.
That's why no one's fat.
It's like 1 milliliter of green tea.
Empty it, wasn't it?
So peaceful.
Australia. Oh my god.
Is that normal?
To me, it's fat.
Just like
Why always me? This is better than Eiffel Tower.
Hello, hello. Joy, joy. Hello. Wow.
Damn. Oh shit, my bad, dog. Can you move?
Yeah, my bad. Oh, this isn't even the top.
There's more.
There's more.
No, this is the top.
No, I checked. It shows you.
Yeah?
Like, look at the snow, brother. Where do you get this in Australia? What, Threadbow? Threadbow? You serious? Come on.